In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Keep with Google Docs, allowing you to connect and add notes effortlessly. This integration is perfect for those who want to streamline their workflow and make the most out of their Google apps. First, you'll need to open Google Docs. If you're not already familiar, Google Docs is a fantastic tool for creating and editing documents online. Simply navigate to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not on it already, you can use a quick search to get there. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to start with a blank document. By doing so, you open up a fresh canvas for your ideas or projects, ready for your notes from Google Keep to be added. Now the magic happens on the right side of the screen. If you look closely, you'll notice a small toolbar. This toolbar provides easy access to some of Google's other apps, including Google Keep. Here, go ahead and locate the Keep icon. It looks like a small yellow light bulb. Click on it to open up the Keep Notes panel. With Google Keep open, you're ready to connect your notes to your document. You'll see a list of your saved Keep notes. These might include shopping lists, research, reminders, or anything you've noted down using Google Keep's various options. Next, locate the note that you wish to add. If your list is lengthy, use the search bar in Keep to quickly find a specific note. Once you've found your desired note, click to open it. Just to the three vertical dots, commonly referred to as the menu icon, click this to reveal more options. From here, simply select the option that says Add to Document. This step will instantly add the content of that specific Keep note right into your Google Doc. This integration doesn't reformat or alter your note, it replicates it exactly as it appears in Keep, ensuring that essential details remain intact and clear. And just like that, your Google Keep notes are added to your Google Docs. This simple process not only enhances productivity by keeping your notes and documents well organized, but also saves time by reducing repetitive tasks. You can now freely edit the content in Docs, add new information, or even continue to pull in more notes from Keep as needed. Keep experimenting with this robust feature and see how it can benefit your workflow. In conclusion,